Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. We have just arrived here in Pai. We've checked into our little riverfront cottage or villa, although that's a strong word. And now we're going out to explore all the beautiful things here in Pai, including some waterfalls, hot springs, some canyons, and we'll see what the day brings us. All right.
After renting a motorbike in town for the week, we headed 10 minutes south to an area where there were 3 great attractions. The Pai Land Split is a recent geological formation with a donation box entry fee. In the early morning of 2008, there was an earthquake in the area, which tore a great rift in the earth, creating this really cool hiking space. Subsequent earthquakes in 2009 and 11 further widened the split. We saw 2 massive tukes, and the entire thing only takes about 15 minutes to explore.
Now you got me worried about giant lizards. Normally I'm just scared of snakes.
Back at the entrance, the owner has a little stand with local snacks like banana chips, sweet potatoes, roselle, and other homemade juices and wine.
What you think?
Cool.
And just down the bumpy road is the Bamboo Bridge Park. This recreational area was built to showcase the local indigenous farming lifestyle, where there is an extensive bamboo bridge built over the rice paddies. Entry is only 30 baht, and the bridge goes on for roughly 800 meters, leading through farmlands, picnic areas, and great photo spots.
So we should have come here about 3 weeks, a month ago, because they just cut all the rice, and so it's a little kind of drab looking. Normally you'd be walking over big rice paddy fields, and apparently it's beautiful. So lesson learned, come earlier in the year. Wow, it looks like a shark, Sam. This guy right here is huge.
Yeah, shark family.
Included in this little area are some activities like archery, with local crafts, food, and drinks for sale as well. Heading back towards town, we stopped at the Pambok Waterfall, which just happened to be free that day as it was the old king's birthday. Hiking up the beautiful ravine trail following the stream, we quickly came to a small bridge where we got our first view of the waterfalls.
It's just filled with bat guano. Oh, it's disgusting.
Being the cool, dry season, the water was quite low and extremely cold.
Oh, it's cold! Oh, it's cold!
This is a beautiful place and well worth the visit, especially if it's free. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you really enjoyed it. Coming up next, we visit some rarely stopped at hot springs and explore more of Pai itself. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel as it's a fast and easy way for you to show your love for what we do. And please feel free to comment on our videos so we can talk with you directly. Thanks again, stay safe, and see you next week.